Hello friends, welcome back again to the channel. I hope everyone is safe. In today's video, I would talk about very important 10 Excel formulas which you should aware. If you are working in company, if you are working in any of the job, you should aware of these 10 Excel formulas in your day-to-day life. These formulas are used. If you like the video, please subscribe and share, and please try to share this video so that maximum people can get to know about it. If you want to find a job, or if you want to do good at your job, so you need to aware of all of these 10 Excel formulas. So now let's start with the video. So the first formula, you can see that here on my screen. First we have to find out the count if. So this is the name and the result we have, and to use the count if formula we need to find out how many students have passed or how many students have failed. To use that formula we have to use equal to count if. Then we have to select the complete range in which we have the name and the result, comma, and then we have to find out how many students have passed. So we have to type in pass, double quote, bracket close, enter. So here you can see that total 7 students have passed out of this complete list. If you want to find out how many students have failed, so again you have to use count if, select all the range in which we have the name and the result, comma, double quote, we have to type in fail, double quote, bracket close, enter. So total 6 students have failed from this list. Now let's check it out. The other formula what we have is product. So this is the employee sale, and we have to find out the total sale of all of these employees. How we can simply go about it. So we have to use this formula equal to product, then select all the sales of one employee, bracket close, press enter, and then select all the cells and control D. So now you can see that we have the total sale of all of these employees with the help of this product formulas. Now, so now let's check it out, the third Excel formula, which is sum if. So here it says that we have to find out the sum of unique values. So here you can see that we have the name and the sale. So here we have to find out the value or the total sale of Tom. So Tom, you can see that we have for many times, first, second, third, and fourth. So we have to find out the total sale of this employee Tom. How we can do that? So we have to use this formula equal to sum if. Then we have to select the range in which we have all the employees name, comma, then criteria would be your Tom, because we want to find out the total sale of Tom, comma, and then sale of all employees, bracket close, press enter. So you can see that we have the total sale of Tom is 630. So in the same way you can find out the other employees or other people sale also. Now let's move on to the next formula, which is max. So here it says that, so this formula says that from this list, what is the maximum number we have. So the formula you can use here is, that's the simple formula. So you just have to simply type in max, select the range in which we have the numbers, and bracket close, press enter. So in this list, 320 is the maximum number what we have. So now let's move on to the next formula what we have, which is sum. So here you can see that this is the name of employees, and again we have the sale, and we have to find out the total sale of all of these employees. How we can do that? So to find out, we have to use this simple formula, which is sum, then select the sale of one employee, bracket close, press enter, select all the cells and control D. So here you can see that, total sale of all of these employees with the help of this sum formula. So now let's move on to the next formula what we have. So the next formula is average. So these are the employee names and their sale. So we have to find out the average sale. What is the average sale of all of these employees? So to do that, we have to use this formula equal to average, select all the sale, bracket close, press enter, select all the cells and control D. So here you can see that this would be the average sale of all of these employees. So now let's move on to the next formula what we have, which is Roman. I'm sure that you must have heard about it, Roman, which we have studied in the classes, and this is very important formula. So these are the name of employees and their sale, and we have to convert these sales into the Roman numbers. How we can do that? So we have to use this formula equal to Roman and then select all the numbers, bracket close, press enter. So here you can see that we have converted all the numbers into Roman numbers. Now let's check it out, the next formula what we have, which is minimum. So here it says that in this list we have to find out the minimum number what we have. So to do that you have to use this formula equal to minimum, select all the numbers, bracket close, press enter. So here in this list 100 is the minimum number what we have. So with the help of this minimum formula you can find out what would be the minimum value you have in the data. Next formula we have is today. So it means that what is the date today we have. So to do that we have to use this formula equal to today and then bracket close. So here you can see that today date is 29th of December 2024 year. So by that way you can just find out the today date with this simple formula. Next formula we have is count. So count says that in this total list we need to find out how many numbers we have. It means that total numbers, it will not count the blank numbers. So here you can see that we have the blank cells also. So the count formula will not count the blank cells. How you can use this formula? You have to press equal to count, select all the numbers in which we have the data, bracket close, press enter. So here you can see that in this total list we have the 7 numbers. So the count will not count the blank cells. Which shortcut key combination is used to insert a new worksheet in Excel? Correct answer for this question is option C, Control plus Shift plus N. Next question we have, which shortcut key is used to paste content from the clipboard in Excel? Correct answer for this question is option B, Control plus V. Next question we have, which shortcut key is used to switch between Excel worksheets from left to right? Correct answer for this question is option B, Control plus page down. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and share for more.